Top 10 KFCs in Jamaica. Now, we do know that Jamaica has the best tasting KFC in the world, but not all Jamaican KFCs have the same taste. So we decided to rank the KFCs. If you visit Portmore, you need to stop at the KFC in Portmore Mall. They're number 10. Number 9, on the western side of the country, you'll find the KFC in Savlamar, very good. In number 8, we're placing the KFC at Junction, St. Elizabeth. In number 7, if you go to the north coast, you need to stop at KFC in Ocho Rios. Sovereign Center's KFC is very clean and very good. They're in number 6. You want to try KFC in Manor Park as well. We're ranking them number 5. Now, if you want a good KFC that's finger licking good, try Washington Boulevard. They're number 4. And if you're coming home from the overseas, you want to stop at KFC Montego Bay. Second ranked KFC in Jamaica has to be that in Maypen. Finger licking good. And nobody does it better than the KFC in Mandeville. You won't regret it. Thanks for making this jam fit. Remember, you can like, comment, and share this video. Let me know what you think, and let me know which KFC is your number 1. In the meantime, remember to continue to follow JamFit as we continue to spread the Jamaican culture abroad and abroad.